ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
واحد وثمانون
81.
81.
الماضي واحد
Past tense 1.
Past tense 1.
يكتب
To write.
To write.
هو كتب خطابا.
He wrote a letter.
He wrote a letter.
وكتبت هي بطاقة.
And she wrote a card.
And she wrote a card.
يقرأ
To read.
To read.
هو قرأ مجلة مصورة.
He read a magazine.
He read a magazine.
وقرأت هي كتابا.
And she read a book.
And she read a book.
يأخذ
To take.
To take.
هو أخذ سيجارة.
He took a cigarette.
He took a cigarette.
هي أخذت قطعة شوكولاتة.
She took a piece of chocolate.
She took a piece of chocolate.
هو ما كان وفيا ولكن هي كانت وفية.
He was disloyal, but she was loyal.
He was disloyal, but she was loyal.
هو كان كسولا ولكن هي كانت مجتهدة.
He was lazy, but she was hard working.
He was lazy, but she was hard working.
هو كان فقيرا ولكن هي كانت غنية.
He was poor, but she was rich.
He was poor, but she was rich.
هو ما كان لديه مال بل ديون.
He had no money, only debts.
He had no money, only debts.
هو ما كان محظوظا بل منحوسا.
He had no luck, only bad luck.
He had no luck, only bad luck.
هو ما كان ناجحا بل فاشلا.
He had no success, only failure.
He had no success, only failure.
هو ما كان راضيا بل كان مستاء.
He was not satisfied, but dissatisfied.
He was not satisfied, but dissatisfied.
هو ما كان سعيدا بل كان تعيسا.
He was not happy, but sad.
He was not happy, but sad.
هو ما كان ودودا بل كان غير ودود.
He was not friendly, but unfriendly.
He was not friendly, but unfriendly.